In this video, we're going to talk about the 3 most common reasons why wristbands fail and how to fix them. One of the more common reasons why wristbands will fail is because of moisture introduction. And that can be caused by one of 2 things. The temperature itself on the laminator needs to be set to 325 degrees. That's the perfect temperature for the wristbands to laminate properly on leading edges of the wristband. Also, make sure that the heating element on the laminator itself is sufficient to reach the temperature that you need. If you are a high volume facility, meaning that you are constantly running the laminator, you may find that you need to replace the heating element or the laminator itself. Another common reason inmate wristbands may fail is because of sizing. Sometimes correctional officers or deputies may honor an inmate's request to actually loosen the wristband when it's being applied during the booking process. Don't do that. Don't capitulate. It's your facility. Make sure the wristbands at all times are handcuffed tight. You should be able to get one finger between the wristband and the inmate's skin. The third reason inmate wristbands may fail is because of direct inmate manipulation. So for example, inmates will oftentimes run hot water over the wristbands, either in the shower or they may stretch out the wristband as it warms up. So what we recommend that you do is during formal head counts, make sure that you look not only at the digital identity of that inmate, but look at the physical integrity of that wristband, making sure that it hasn't been prematurely stretched, torn, or manipulated in any way. If it has been, replace it immediately. And also within Guardian RFID, you can log instances of noncompliance and you can fine that inmate as well as provide sufficient consequences to prevent recurring incidents of that happening. Inmate wristbands are a powerful way of expanding your use of Guardian RFID. So to maximize your success, make sure that you do a couple of things. First, make sure that inmates are constantly accountable for the integrity of their wristbands. The second part is make sure that staff members are consistent and accountable when it comes to applying the wristbands. Wristbands should always be worn handcuffed tight. If you have any questions, contact us at support@guardianrfid.com, and as always, get your team home safe.